What is up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be flying the iFlight Nazgul Evoque right here. As you guys can see, I went ahead and literally tuned everything. Real quick, I literally just tried to film this video. First time ever flying this thing. And check this out. Whoa. So I went ahead and crashed. I had my yaw and my roll switched opposite, so like it was completely opposite on the controller and made me crash. So figured that out. So this is literally going to be the first flight. I just fixed it. We're about to go ahead and plop this thing down and send it in the air. It's kind of cloudy out today, so I'm rocking the ND filter on the GoPro. I'm using the GoPro Hero Bones, and the drone held up fine with that little crash. It's just like grassy, so I'll have to clean it off. But I'm just super excited to fly this thing. I just got the controller, or just got the batteries for the controller in today, so I went ahead and set everything up, and I'm just stoked to fly this thing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and fly. Alright guys, so maiden voyage, maiden flight. We went ahead and turned everything on, got everything connected. We got the stick cam going, this camera going. And let me turn the recording on for the on-screen display and the goggles. So I got that going. So let's make sure everything works. Yep, we are fired up. So let's go ahead and put this thing in the air for the first time with everything right. Let's do this. This is my live reaction. This battery isn't full, so just bear with me. I'm gonna go ahead and I have more batteries behind me, but I didn't feel like swapping them out. So, let's see what we got here. Alright, air mode, we're good. There we go. So yeah, it was not right the first time. Initial reactions, I mean, I'm just gonna get a feel for it. Very smooth. A lot of power. Sorry, I'm just trying to concentrate. This is literally my first time flying this thing, but for the initial first impressions, I'm just gonna get a feel for it. First 5-inch FPV drone. Wow. Very smooth, guys. I mean, very smooth. Wow. The camera angle isn't that steep, so I feel like I need to change the race. It's jittery, you know. We'll try to go down here. Let's see. It's super like agile. Got 22.2 volts. A lot of power. So we're only pushing, like I said, this battery wasn't full. Wow, this thing is going to take some getting used to. It's actually a little more quiet than I thought. I don't know if I'm ready to go through the woods. It's just so like twitchy, I feel. Yeah, I might gotta change my rates. Cause I'm barely on the throttle. This thing has some fucking power. super freaking precise, guys. Like, very precise. Definitely a lot different than the Cinnabon 30. That's for sure. And this is like my first time flying with this RC too. I was about to do a flip. Yeah, like the rates are like super fast, which isn't bad. I'm not doing nothing crazy. I'm literally just trying to get a feel for this thing. I don't want to crash. Man, a lot of power. Like, I'm barely on the throttle. We're getting low battery. I'm gonna go ahead and go in for a landing. That was rough. Wow. That thing has a lot of power, guys. Lot of power in that little thing. It's gonna take some getting used to, so I think I'm definitely gonna have to change my rates. It was definitely like on the twitchier side. I feel like this is because I originally started with the DJI FPV, and when I first got it, you know, I was learning manual, all that good stuff. I never really changed the rates, and I actually watched a YouTube video and just copied this one guy's rates, which were actually higher than it came stock. And I was flying it like that, and it was a lot. It was very twitchy like that, which I feel like as a beginner kind of myself, it's going to take time to be able to, you know, get used to that sensitivity. So I might go ahead and lower the rates, and I think that'll help improve, you know, my agility in the air. So let me unplug this battery so it doesn't overheat the ESC. But it's pretty cool. The lights all change colors whenever, you know, you're low on battery. As you guys can see, it's like an orange color. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this. There we go. Just unplugged it. Wow, a lot of power in this little bad boy right here. I'm gonna go ahead and change batteries, put a new battery in here, and do one more flight with these rates. This will be a full battery. We're going to be using the my bad, this was a 1550 tattoo battery. This is a 6S version of the quad, so let me go ahead and do that real quick, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and changed out the battery. I'm going to go ahead and plug everything up as we speak, actually. Start the GoPros and all that, but yeah, like I said, man, this thing has a lot of power, and you can definitely feel it. You know, coming from my little Gep RC Cinnabon 30, you know, that, I mean, isn't obviously as powerful as this. And like I said, I think it's just going to take a little time to get used to. First 5-inch drone here, and you can definitely feel that she has a lot to give. Let's just say that. So we are recording on this GoPro. I'm going to go ahead and plop this thing on the ground. Let me plug her on in, and we'll get started here. So Another new pack. This is a fully charged 1550. So we're gonna see how much battery life, how much flight time we get with this pack. Oops. So I'm using a little pocket phone charger, battery charger, because this battery is on the controller is almost dead, and you don't want that to die midair. That wouldn't be good. My arm switch is this red one right here, as you guys can see, and I was having a little trouble getting to it, so I might change that. We'll see. This is all trial and error. So let's go ahead and put her in the air and see what we think. Fresh pack. See how much battery we get out of it. I'm just gonna do like light, mild rip. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, the rates are just so high, dude. Wow. A lot of power. Sounds wicked in the air. We'll go out here a little bit in my neighbor's yard. Have a little land there. We'll do a little quick flyby going. Full blaze. That was full blaze right there. Nice prop wash. Felt pretty good right there. I'm trying to get like lower, but yeah, I'm just trying to focus a little bit. Whoa, whoa, you guys saw that? See how much like power it has just at like just the lowest amount. Just powerful. A powerful little quad right here. It's hard to go low on this thing, dude. So we're pushing 2 minutes 30 seconds with a 1550. So this thing eats through batteries, it looks like. My Cinnabot, with this battery at least, no GoPro, I was getting like 11 minutes, 10 minutes, but I wasn't like ripping on it. Wow. I might change my camera angle. This thing is powerful. I just can't believe how fast it is. Flying the Cinnabot for so long, I forgot that there's just so much more out there, you know what I mean? It just falls so nice. Like my Cinnabot, if I would have did that, it doesn't fall this nice. Like whenever you dive, thing just dives. Very nice. Yeah, I definitely got to get my arm switch in a better position because I feel like this isn't the best of positions. I thought I was going to like it how, you know, it was right there. I'm going to have to change that. 21.8 volts. Let's cruise our way through the woods. Nothing too crazy. O3's feeling amazing. .3 volts. We'll go ahead and take it in. We got a little bit left. Wow. I mean, just feels very natural. There we are, guys. Alright, we'll go ahead and land. See, I have to take off my, yeah, I don't like that. And I forgot which one it was to disarm. Not a fan of the disarm switch. That's just user error. It was this one. I'm going to go ahead and change that to something else. Alright, sorry. Yeah, guys, so this thing rips. 1 second, let me unplug it so it doesn't overheat. Oh my gosh. This little thing rips. How long was that? We had, total arm, we had 6 minutes, 17 seconds. That's actually pretty decent. I thought, let me turn this off. So yeah, we had 16, or I said 16. 6 minutes and 17 seconds total arm time with this. We're rocking a GoPro Hero 10 Bones, and we have a 1550 in there, so that's actually pretty decent. That's pretty decent battery life for, you know, what you have here, which is, I think I weighed this 780 grams in that ballpark, I want to say. Pretty, you know, heavy drone, not the lightest, and still rocking a good 6 minutes of you know, pretty good rippage right there. So that was the Nazgul right here. I'm gonna have to clean this thing up because I went ahead and crashed on accident. Let me turn off this. So yeah, I went ahead and crashed on accident. It happens. It's a part of the hobby. I had my sticks, the yaw and the roll backwards. So I was trying to do, you know, maneuver, and it didn't work out, as you guys saw. So a lot of videos to come with this. I'm going to be tuning this thing, or at least changing my rates, because I think my rates are a little too high for my personal preference. But other than that, this thing felt amazing in the air. I only put 2 packs in it so far. I'm going to go ahead, I don't know if you guys can see them, they're right there. Got a few other packs right here. I'm going to go ahead and rip this thing, and I'll give you guys a updated review once I have more packs through it, once I, you know, getting more accustomed to it. So with that said, I hope you guys like this video, short video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. What would you guys like to see out of this little thing? Leave a comment down below, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.